In video number 2 of this pine chest restoration series, I was showing you how I was re-gluing some things. You may recall that this strip had come detached from the top, and that's because the grain of the top runs in this direction and the grain of the strips runs in this direction. So it's really a design flaw. The top's going to expand and contract seasonally, and the length of this strip is not going to change, so it broke the glue joint there. I glued it back together again. There's really no satisfactory way of, no perfect way of fixing this. So to help things stay together more in the future, in addition to the very small nails that this was originally assembled with, I've used some screws here, flathead wood screws, countersunk in to hold it together. Nothing too fancy there, but the drill bit that I used to make holes for these screws is kind of interesting, and I thought you might like to see it. It's kind of an adjustable bit set. I have a whole collection here. I happen to buy this from Lee Valley Tools, but this is the one I used. I don't know if you can see here, but the drill bit itself is tapered, which is useful when you're driving wood screws because it creates a wider hole up here so that this part of the screw and the top part of the threads don't grip in the first part of the hole. But because the drill bit tapers, the threads of the screw down here get a grip in the wood. So that's one interesting thing going on. The other is this countersink attachment here. This can vary in height depending on where this collar is locked onto the drill bit. And as you can see, I have adjusted it to fit this size of screw, which is as long as the wood is deep. It actually has poked through very slightly in a few places. Here's one of them. But that's no problem. I'm going to be sanding that off, because don't forget, we're going to apply a milk paint finish to this. And if there's minor imperfections, that's fine. I'll be explaining how that milk paint finish sticks to the existing finish here, which isn't usually the case. But for now, I just thought I'd show you these strips and this anchoring system. I mean, nothing fancy, but it's just creating a more solid foundation for the finished piece that we hope to have. Thanks for watching. Click here to join the thousands of people who get the Bailey Line Road hands-on how-to newsletter for free every Saturday morning.